Welcome. Today, we're diving into a feature many Telegram users might overlook, viewing all the links shared in your chats. With the increasing number of messages we exchange, it can be challenging to keep track of all the valuable content. But don't worry. In just a few simple steps, you'll be able to access all shared media quickly and efficiently. So grab your Android device, and let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to explore your chats. Step 2. Now, navigate to the contact whose shared links you want to review. This might be a friend, a group chat, or even a channel where you've had some engaging discussions. Step 3. Once you're in the chat with that contact, tap on the contact's name at the top of the screen. This action will take you to the contact's profile, where you'll find various options related to your interactions. Step 4. Scroll down and tap Links from the list at the bottom. This will bring up all the links and media shared in your conversations with that contact. You can easily browse through the list and revisit any important links you may have missed. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you can quickly access all shared links in your Telegram chats, ensuring you never lose track of important information again. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more exciting Telegram tips.